What's going on, my good people? This is Carnage Collects from Carnage Collectibles, coming at you with another toy review. Now, I want to apologize for not posting any videos up on YouTube. My mom, I've been going through a lot. My mom needed another surgery. I just recently had surgery, and but everything's good. My mom's okay. I'm okay. No need to worry. But I decided to do this one again because my recent video was an epic fail. So I want to apologize. We're going to do this another time. We're going to do this again. Let's get to it. And I'm joined by my one and only favorite Carnage figure of all time, Carnage. Say hello, buddy.
Hey, how's it going, man?
I'm doing just fine. How about you?
I've been wanting to go out, but you needed my help with this, so I decided to stay.
Oh, thanks, buddy.
No problem.
Anyways, let's go on to the business. Start off with these two beautiful hands, right? Two knife holding hands. Sad part is, he does not come with them, but I do know of a way I can acquire them. It just might take some time, and hopefully I can reshoot this with his knives with him. Now, onto the articulation, shall we? Head can go side to side, full 360. If you take these off, because these can't come off as a matter of fact. I'll just take these off, move these, put these to the side. Now, on for his head articulation. He can look up only about that much. I do not know if he can go back. Nope. As far as he can look back. He can't look forward about that much. Be super careful because his hair will bend. His arms can go up that much. Beautiful butterfly joint. Rotate a full 360. Bicep swivel. Double jointed elbows. As I call it, the wrist twist. And hands can go up and down. Ab crunch. Go forward that much. Can go back that much. Waist twist onto the legs. Can go up that far. Can go back that far. Upper thigh cut. Double jointed knees. Boot swivel. Sorry about that. Yeah, his boot swivel. Ankle pivot. His ankle can go up that far and go down that far. Now, on to these size comparisons. Here he is, standing next to my McFarlane Michelangelo, who comes with Alfred Pennyworth. I will get a review with this dude coming soon, along with Carnage here. I will get a review of him. Here he is, next to another recent pickup. As a matter of fact, a birthday gift. One of them. Kingpin from the Spider-Man Retro Wave. A review of him coming up soon too. Here he is, next to another birthday gift of mine. The one, the only Hugh Jackman, Wolverine. Stand up straight. Alright, screw it. Pretty cool size comparison. Another, once again, a review coming up for him as well. And my other Hugh Jackman Wolverine, who I have over here. Another review coming for him. And here he is next to my Kid Bashed Mary Jane. Alright, people. This is your boy, Carnage Collects from Carnage Collectibles. Wishing you a good day. Be smart. Be safe. And as always, happy hunting. Peace.